Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's learn a new topic today that is about gender. So kids, let's get started. We know person and animals are living things. We have also learned in my earlier videos that name of persons and animals are noun. So nouns which are living things, that is animals and persons, are having gender. Gender can be masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine gender is also called male or he gender. Likewise, feminine gender is also called female or she gender. Let's see some examples. Boy, girl. Man, woman. Grandfather, grandmother. Father, mother. Uncle, aunt. King, queen. Prince, princess. Son, daughter. Wizard, witch. Bridegroom, bride. Poet, poetess. Husband, wife. Nephew, niece. Monk, nun. God, goddess. Sir, madam. Brother, sister. Servant, maid. Waiter, waitress. Actor, actress. Let's learn about animals' gender. Lion, lioness. Bull, cow. Cock, hen. Tiger, tigress. Ram, ewe, both are sheep. Drone, bee. Fox, vixen. Drake, duck. Buck, doe, both are deer. Tomcat, queen cat. Dog, bitch. Peacock, peahen. Gander, goose. Stallion, mare. Now let's learn about common gender. A noun that is same whether it is referring to male or female is called common gender. That means a common gender can be both a male or female. Let's see some examples of common gender. Children. Children can refer to both girl or boy. So children is a common gender. Let's see some more examples. Doctor, parents, teacher, baby, chef. Now kids, let's learn about neuter gender. A noun that is non-living and cannot be specified under male-female category is called neuter gender. Let's see some examples of neuter gender. Ball, doll, book, bus, pencil, chair. Now kids, let's do one exercise. Here some columns are written: he gender, she gender, common gender and neuter gender. Children, now I will show you some pictures. We have to put that picture in the correct column. Sister. Sister will be in the she group. The next one is police officer. It can be both male or female, so it will go to common gender. Grandfather. Grandfather will be in he group. Then uncle. Uncle is in which gender? Uncle is he gender. Then the next one is car. Car is a non-living thing, so we will put car in neuter gender. Then cow. Cow will go to she group. Then student. Student can be both a boy or a girl, so we'll put student in common gender. Next one is house. House is a non-living thing, so it will go to neuter. Now kids, let's do one more exercise. Here two groups are made: he gender and she gender. Some names of he group are given here. We have to write the correct she gender for the corresponding he name. Brother, sister, buck, doe, husband, wife, gander, goose, sir, madam, nephew, niece, cock, hen. Well done, excellent kids. Thank you so much kids for watching this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye bye kids.